Cheers. That's good. What's up, I'm Wouter and today I'm going to show you how to watermark multiple images with your own logo using Lightroom. So once you edited your photos, select all images, right click and go to export. Now scroll down to the watermarking tab and click edit watermarks. In the watermark editor, you can choose between text or graphic. To use your logo, go to graphic and find the PNG image you like to use. Now scroll down to watermark effects. Here we can make adjustments to where the logo is located. First, let's look at anchor. This is exactly the position where you want your logo to be. I'll choose the bottom right corner. At the inset section, you can make adjustments to the horizontal and vertical distance in correlation to the position of the anchor. At size, you can choose between proportional, fit and fill. I prefer proportional with a size of 8. With opacity, you can make it more transparent. I personally like it at 100. When you're done, click save and give it a name. I'll choose WK logo. Now you can use this as a preset for your future edits anytime. To do so, click on a box next to watermark and choose one of your presets. Now let's export all the images. Choose the destination folder and a file name for your photos. When you're happy with your settings, click export and you're done. So I hope you had fun and learned something new. Also, I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe since that would help me out a lot. I'll see you in the next video.